Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a group as read on Telegram using your PC with the latest update. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open your Telegram account on your PC by logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your list of group chats and find the specific group you want to mark as read. Hover your cursor over the group name and either click on the downward arrow icon, V, or right-click on the group. This will reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the menu, select the Mark as Read option. By doing so, you indicate that you have read the messages in that group, helping you stay organized with your conversations. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your group chats on Telegram and ensure that you stay updated with important messages. Marking a group as read is a handy feature that allows you to keep track of your group conversations and maintain clear communication with your contacts. Take advantage of this new update to enhance your Telegram experience and make sure you don't miss any crucial information within your groups. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights on how to mark a group as read on Telegram using your PC.